What's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek.com. Welcome to the Clicks Geek YouTube channel. And today's video, actually, before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to our channel. On Clicks Geek, on the YouTube channel, we drop videos every day, all kinds of different pay-per-click Google Ads case studies, different trainings for everything, full campaign builds, you name it, it's on the channel. There's dozens of playlists, so go check that out. Today, we're going to walk through a live Google AdWords campaign. Google Ads, whatever they call it nowadays. They keep flip-flopping on us. So what you're looking at right now is inside one of our clients' accounts. This is a family law lawyer, and you're looking at a fully built-out campaign. All right, so we're looking at the last 30 days of data, which is December 20th to January 18th. You can see here they're going after family law, divorce law, custody, and child support, spending $125 a day. And the results they've gotten in the last 30 days, they've gotten 100 clicks, 1,763 impressions, 5.67% click-through rate. The average cost per click in this campaign was $19.67, which is not too terrible considering it's a lawyer campaign. And the total cost for the last 30 days, the client spent $1,966.72. Now, in exchange for that $1,966, they've gotten 32 leads. These are mostly all phone call leads. I think there's a handful of contact form submissions, which is name, email, phone, and tell us about your family law issue or something like that. It's contact form. So they've gotten 32 leads at a cost per lead of $61 and a conversion rate of 32%. Now, if we go into the conversion actions, I'll show you guys. We have 3 conversion actions set up: call extensions, contact form submission, and phone call from the website. So call extension, obviously, if you guys are unfamiliar with that, that is the number that's attached to the ad on a mobile device or desktop. That it's a phone number that shows. So we've had 20 phone calls from the ad extension this month. Contact form is a full contact form submission that redirects to a thank you page. We've had 4 of those leads this month. And phone call is just anyone who clicks the ad, comes through to the website or landing page, and calls the number that they see, which is a tracking number that swaps out. So that's always tracking back to the keyword, which keywords are driving calls. You can see here we got about 8 of those. So 28 total phone calls and 4 contact form submissions for the month. If we go into the campaign, kind of show you how it's structured here. So we have divorce lawyer, family lawyer, Clarksville divorce lawyer, custody lawyer, Clarksville family lawyers. Clarksville's a town they're in. Obviously, I'm going to add some geos for those different keywords. Fort Campbell divorce lawyer, Montgomery County divorce lawyer, spousal support lawyer, alimony lawyer, adoption lawyer. All right, so everything is very structured down to, so in the ad group, divorce lawyer, it's all divorce lawyer keywords. All right. If we go into family lawyer, it's all family lawyer keywords. So that's how your campaigns have to be structured. Now, if we go into the ads, so I'm going to have to blur out some of the contact information, but I'll take you guys in there. You can see here inside the family lawyer, we're talking about family lawyer. Speak with a family lawyer. We'll protect your rights. Free over the phone consult. Need a family lawyer? Question? Stop. Call us immediately. Speak with a family lawyer. We'll protect your rights. Okay, so they're all calling out exactly what the keywords is. Now, every ad group is like this. All right, so all the divorce lawyer keywords are going to ads talking about divorce lawyer, not family. It's very important that you guys have your everything nice and neatly in line. Your ad group's theme needs to have keywords that are themed with that ad group, that go to ads theme with that ad group, that go to a landing page that talks about what you're talking about in your ads. The message match has to be great to run a successful Google Ads campaign. It's really, really important, guys. I can't stress that enough. And it's also important to have your negative keywords set up. So if we go into our keywords, negative keywords, you can see here, we're just building out negative keywords. Lists of negative keywords. So if you don't know what a negative keyword is, there should be a bar flashing across the top of this video where I go through and show you how to find negative keywords, how they work, all the match type stuff. So check that out. It should be up there. And you're just going to build your lists in here. And it's going to tighten down your searches that you're getting so that you're not getting irrelevant searches that are wasting your money or your client's money. All right, now bidding strategy for this guy, we are using, let me get in there, maximize conversions, which is Google's auto bidding strategy. Kind of gives you a brief little thing here. If I go into it, so if we go, usually has a little bubble. It gives you a little explanation. Either way, all right, doesn't matter. So we're using maximize conversions, which is Google's auto bidding strategy. We're letting Google take the reins. They're using all the campaign data from the history of the entire account to optimize which keywords drove the most conversions. And it's going to go after those keywords aggressively over anything else to try and get as many conversions as possible within our daily budget within, a 30-day window. So that's what we're going after, and it's working great for the client. So no complaints on that right now. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is a fully fleshed out Google AdWords campaign. There's not really much to it. The best advice I can give you guys, if you're just getting started, stick with exact and phrase match keywords only. Make sure you have a bidding strategy that you're not bidding too low, you're not bidding too high. I suggest maybe starting out your campaigns with maximize clicks, auto bidding. Just remember to set a bid limit cap, and if you don't know what that is, go to our Clicks Geek channel and check out the playlist for maximize clicks. And I walk you through how it works and all that stuff. And it's just important that you structure your campaigns correctly. So no matter what niche you're in that you're trying to run your campaign in, just make sure that whatever your ad group is, the theme is carried over in the keywords, the theme is carried over in the ads, and the theme is carried over into the landing page. That is the most important advice I can give you guys. All right, so if you have any questions about setting up Google Ads campaign, or you want to watch me set one up from scratch, again, go to our channel, Clicks Geek, and there's a playlist where I build full campaigns. I think I build like 15 campaigns. There's a ton of videos of me walking step by step through everything to build them, so you can check that out. Other than that, any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.